Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we are going to create two amazing text effects you can use in your videos to make it even more professional and cinematic. We are going to kick off with this cinematic text effect. To do that, open CapCut and add a text layer. Edit it to the title you want and select a good font. Go to effects and select this option. Make the text a compound clip to access the mask feature. Go to mask and select mirror. Rotate it to 39 degrees and adjust it like this. Position it at the top of the text and add a fader effect. At the start position, add a keyframe. Go to a few frames forward like the middle of the text and add another keyframe. Add a third keyframe at the end and drag the mask away like this. This is what it looks like. At the end of your last keyframe, make a cut here and add a new keyframe on the clip. Move some frames forward and drag the mask like this to reveal a part of the text. Go to a few frames forward and add a keyframe. Then drag the mask to reveal the full text. Here's the final look. Now for extra effects, add a text layer on the last clip and edit it to the same title. Adjust it to align with the text title. Go to glow and select it. Tweak the intensity and range like this. Then add a fade in animation and a fade out animation. Now for the second effect, I wanted to make a list of dates that scrolls and ends at 2023, but I was too lazy to type out all the years from 1999 to 2005. So I asked ChatGPT to help me with it, but for some reason it refused to help. Hey ChatGPT, is there a problem?
It seems like I can't do more advanced data analysis right now. Please learn Turkey again later. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Yes, there is. Okay, maybe you didn't understand me. In the format 1999 to... Wait!
It seems like I can't generate
I'm not done
the
typing.
list of dates in the format right now.
Okay. Let's try this one more time. In the format 1999, 2000, 2001. Oh, it worked, but not exactly how I wanted it. Damn, maybe I should have used DeepSeek.
Oh, shit.
Now, I'm not saying that DeepSeek is way better than ChatGPT. Nope, maybe I didn't just get the right prompt.
You don't say.
Now, I am tired, but I typed the text myself. Stressful, I know, but what can I say? I have to be here for you all. Select any good font of your choice and increase the spacing between the text so each line stands alone. Scroll down to position and add a keyframe on the first frame of the text. Now make sure your text is exactly where you want it to start. For me, I want it to start from 1999. Position it in the middle. Go to the end of the text and add another keyframe. This time, it should end with the text you want to show, but in the middle, like this. To smooth the keyframe animation, right click on the text and select the show keyframe animation option. Select the y-axis since we are dealing with a vertical animation. Go to this icon and hover around it until you see this drag pen. Right click it and select graph. Here are a bunch of graphs, but we need something that moves in slowly, gains a little speed and then slows down at the end. There, this one. Now tweak it a little bit to make it even more smoother. Right click and select hide keyframe. Make it a compound clip. Here is what it looks like. Go to mask. Select the rectangle option and scale it down to fit the text. Drag this arrow for fading, but don't overdo it. You want the other text to show just a little bit to sell the effect. Now, here is what it looks like. And it ends at 2023. Now, I adjusted the scale a little bit to make the text bolder. If you've been watching my content for some time, you will know I love adding extra touches. Ordinary doesn't really work well for me. At the end of the clip, highlight it and select freeze. This will make the last highlighted frame inanimate, like not moving. Extend the bottom clip to match the end clip and add a new text layer. Edit it to 2023, giving it the same font and size as the first text clip. Add a fade in animation. Scroll down to glow and tweak the settings as desired. Here's the final result. Not finished though, we can make this even better. Extend the text and clips. Go to the start of the text and add a scale keyframe. Go to a few frames forward and add another scale keyframe. Add a third keyframe close to it and scale that last one to any size you want. Reduce the length of the compound clip and add a fade out animation. You can go ahead to add a graph, the ease out graph.
wizidea.
In my next video, I'm going to show you how I
Yo, wizidea, your last upload was almost 50 days ago. How long does it take to make a video? You're slacking, bro.
Yeah, I heard you. It might surprise you to know that wizidea is an engineering student. When he's not making videos or working on short film scripts, he's tackling engineering projects, studying for exams, or just sitting in the lab watching a 3D printer do its thing. Honestly, none of this is easy, but when you are passionate about what you do, it helps lighten the load. If you are anything like me, sometimes it is good to step back, reevaluate, and refine yourself, and most importantly, schedule your work. I won't lie, there are moments when I feel lazy, really lazy, but would I be right if I said it's normal for all human beings to feel that way? I mean, procrastination sets in immediately, or what do you think?